In this video, I'm going to be making a beat for Lil Tjay, Lil Durk, Lil Baby maybe. Just a melodic beat. Let's just go. Cool, I'm just going to walk you through the melody that I made first, and then we'll add some drums. Before I do, okay, make sure to like the video and spread it out into the YouTube algorithm. Okay, have you done it? Just a little boop. So I started off with these chords. I'm going to just play them for you. So it's just a chord arpeggiated. It's D minor, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, D minor right here. And then with the root note on top, 2 root notes on the bottom. And that just repeats throughout. And I just switched up the note positions and just changed the bass notes to make a different progression. But it basically revolves around D minor, which is the scale. I did a couple passing notes here, so yeah, it's pretty simple. And I play it again. So then I added this vocal chop onto it. That's cool. And then I added this whale sound onto it, which is basically just like another vocal chop. And then I added a bass, just following the root notes of the melody. And yeah, then I just added a little EQ to take out some of the lows and to take out some of the highs. So that's the melody. Now let's just add some drums. Before I do, okay, make sure to like the video and spread it out into the YouTube algorithm. Okay, have you done it? Just a little boop. Alright, cool. So anyway, let's add some drums. I'm gonna make a new pattern. I'm gonna add a clap. Don't get why they put loop points on it. It's so silly, honestly, man. So make sure there's no loop points on the one shot. Cool. I just added this open hat loop from my MIDI kit, so check it out. Link in description. Let's go. It's a bunch of MIDIs. I'm gonna use some of these now. I think this one is the one I want. Over 50 MIDIs for snares, melodies, hi-hats, everything. Even 808 MIDIs. Pretty cool. Get a little snare. I think we're just gonna use the spins for this. Let's do it. Always remember to cut itself and do this little envelope thing, just to make it sound clean and just sound better. You know the vibes. But anyway, let's do this. Shorten it, and I'm gonna EQ it a little bit, and maybe boost it a little tiny bit. Just make it slap that much more, and move the ceiling all the way up. Let's do it. Cool, let's add a kick. Gonna go to here, press boost and EQ it up, make it slap. Let's go. I want it to be hard, but not this hard. Like that. We're gonna mono the 808, stereo whip from the clap, hi-hats, snare, and also this. You just gotta keep it simple with these beats, you know, just beats in general. For placements, definitely think about keeping it simple. Don't overthink it. Just do what's hard and then leave it. I'm just gonna arrange it, so yeah, do something like this. Damn, whoops, I messed up the 808. It's meant to go like this. There we go, that's much better. Put the bass in again. Like this, yeah, perfect. Ooh. We can just copy it from here. This could be the beat. Like this. Something like this. Alright, cool. Like the video. I'm out.